Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video I'm going to be taking a closer look at the Cressi Matrix Gamma Snorkel set. So this combines the Matrix mask with the Gamma Snorkel. This is a good sort of starter set if you're just starting off going into sort of the realms of snorkeling. So twin lens mask, nice soft silicone skirt, decent snorkel with a purge valve down at the bottom. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so this is how it arrives in a cool little bag, so you can sort of keep it all contained afterwards. You can take this down to the beach if you want. You can pull out this sort of advertising stuff if you don't want it, and then it's just a plastic fronted bag with a kind of nylon sort of Cordura sort of bag underneath it. Velcro, so the closure underneath that, and then on the inside you get the mask and the snorkel, and that's it for the bag. Okay, so the mask itself, you've got a little sort of instruction manual, just information about the mask, do's and don'ts. You've got a little sticker on the front that you'll need to sort of peel off. But yeah, so a silicone skirt, so pretty soft, nice to sort of mold against your face. Twin lenses, and these are sort of modified teardrop lenses, so you can look downwards a little bit more. Over the top, you have this sort of slightly softer material over to the frame. And that's so that you can sort of clear the mask. It gives you a bit of traction when you need to blow out through your nose. The frame itself turns into to these buckles. So these are ratchet style buckles, so you can adjust the length of those straps. And then if you push on this little plunger, you can lengthen that strap off. The mask strap itself, pretty traditional mask strap with that sort of twin, two separate sections, and that's just going to grip and cradle the back of your head. On the inside, we actually have a second internal seal as well as that external one. So all of this is creating a really wide sealing area all the way around your face, trapping the air inside and keeping the water out. So that's a nice comfortable mask, decent sized lenses, so you can see what's going on in the water. Onto the snorkel. So the snorkel has a pretty comprehensive splash guard. So this just protects the actual opening from a wave splashing over. It's going to deflect the water away from that opening so that less water is going to go actually into the air tube. The tube itself is semi-rigid. It's got a bit of flex to it, which is quite nice. If it's completely rigid and you pack it in your bag and then baggage handlers kind of throw it around, it can sort of bend and crack. But this one actually has a bit of flexibility, so it's going to resist that, and it makes it kind of stronger. Then we have a pretty standard snorkel keep, so this can move up and down the length of the snorkel, and then you just have a little hook with a sort of a peg down at the bottom just to hold it onto that mask strap on your left hand side. Down to the bottom section, the lower hook. So this is softer silicone material, so that lets the mouthpiece bend and flex depending on where you need it in your mouth. And then down at the bottom, we have a big water trap. So any water that does make its way into that snorkel is going to go down to the lowest point, which is away from the airway. So even if there's a small amount of water actually in the snorkel, you can still breathe past it, which is nice. But every time you exhale, there's actually a one-way valve down at the bottom, which is going to push it out and then clear that airway so you can just breathe normally. So every time you exhale, you're actually purging the snorkel, so you don't have to push the water all the way out the top. You just push it out at the bottom. Mouthpiece itself, it has got that slight angle to it as well, and a nice compact little mouthpiece, so you don't feel like you have to bite down on it quite so much. It just sits in your mouth nice and comfortably, and yeah, very soft silicone again. And that's the Cressi Matrix Gamma combo, a good sort of all-rounder. If you're just starting off with sort of snorkeling or even scuba diving, I'd probably be quite happy diving with this mask. It's got decent quality, decent amount of visibility in it. There's going to be more information on our website, simplyscuba.com, so don't forget to check it out. There'll be a link down in the description below. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.